It's Glam Fam. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, I would have filmed this look, but I'm literally just taking a little break from work, like a lunch break, and then I have to go to the doctor in like a couple hours. So I was like, well, I'm leaving the house today, so let me glam up a little bit. I'm just doing like finishing touches. So I'm gonna do the we're starting the spring mystery box series. Yay! I know everyone loved the mystery box series this winter, so I did get a couple more mystery boxes. So we're gonna do spring edition, and it's actually sunny outside today. I'm like, OMG, I'm gonna wear a dress to the doctor. Yeah, so the first mystery box that came is Laura Geller, which, y'all, I was on the website and I didn't know, like I had ordered it, and then it said like, oh, for mature, like Laura Geller, designed for mature skin. And I was like, mature skin? What? I was like, oh my gosh, this is for old people. So, I mean, but you know, my skin's getting a little bit mature now. Like, look, it's getting dry already. So let's do, actually, matter of fact, let's do our fourth setting spray. I have a Laura Geller one, so let's do this one. This is called the Spackle Mist Restore Coconut Water. So it smells actually good, and I hate coconut, and I thought I wouldn't like it, but it smells more like cocoa butter than coconut. So I'm like, okay. But because I actually was gonna almost give this away, but you guys know I have an addiction to facial sprays. So yeah. Oh, they itemized the receipt again. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm gonna put the price in here. I think this was 55 or 39. But yeah, so this is, I'll put the price in, and then here, really no mystery. Well, they did have this on top of it, so I guess that's a little bit of mystery. So so yeah, I'm gonna try to be a little more detailed with my reviews now. So yeah, so let's get into it. This is a lot of stuff though. This was heavy when the post office threw it on my doorstep. Yeah, they put it on my doorstep today, so a couple hours ago. Okay, first thing we have is the Baked Blush Brighten Marbleized Blush, which you guys know I love blushes, so let's check this out. This is in the shade Apricot Berry. So, Baked Blush and Brighten. I don't really like baked products. For whatever reason, I feel like they're not as pigmented as non-baked ones. I don't know why. I just like feel like that. But okay, so I feel like I've seen this before. I think I have one of these. Oh my gosh. Ooh, it's like a purpley, bronzy kind of. Okay, so I'll swatch this since you guys know oh wow, that's pretty. Oh my gosh. Ooh, okay, Laura Geller. It has like purple, gold, and like 3 different shades of pink in it. That's so pretty. Oh my god. Now y'all know I'm supposed to be getting back to work. We're working from home, but oh wow, that's kind of pretty. Oh my gosh. Every time I go to the doctor, they're like, where are you going? I'm like, the doctor. That's it. Oh, this is my Pink Kitty from my Hot Kitty Beauty Pink Kitty glitter. So in the Pink Kitty palette. In case you guys are wondering, which, I mean, it looks kind of good with the rose gold theme I have going on today. Okay. All right. So this we're keeping. Okay, cool. So I'll get the price and put it in. Oop, I dropped something. Okay, this is a lip stain. Oh God. I don't like lip stains. This is in the shade Pinot Noir. Okay. And it's a crayon of some sort. So we'll give this away. We'll put this in the giveaway. So you want to make sure to enter if you like, you know, something like this. Looks like the product stops here. So it's like here to here. So, okay, cool. We'll put the retail in. I have no clue how much retail that is. So, and then the next thing is Prep and Go Lip Scrub and Tint Duo. This is actually kind of a lot of stuff. Okay, let's see here. So this, oh, it looks like this. Oh, I like how they have the products, the picture of the product, because I'm like, what is this? So, oh, okay, this is kind of separated, so let's, I feel like I'm gonna like this color. Oh, okay, this is cute. Okay, so this is a scrub, I guess. This is a scrub. I wish this was the color. So this is a scrub, and this is a tint, a lip tint. Okay, so it's like that. Okay, cool. I love this color, like the peachy, the lavendery, pinky kind of color. Okay, cool. All right, Laura Geller, let's find out. And I was just like, let me get the mystery box so we can do, this is the next thing. This is, no, she didn't. No, you didn't, Laura Geller. Okay, Vintage Clay. This is the eyeshadow quad, but it has the brush that I hate, the little spongy one. I'm like, please just give me no brush. And these are in the shades Afternoon Tea, Cream Latte, Vintage Clay, Hyde Park Green. Okay, let's open this. This is like, looks kind of old school, you know, like, I used to have this like Maybelline. It was like gray. It was this gray Maybelline thing, and it had like 4 colors. It had like cream, gray, like a brown, and then like a sparkle. And oh wow, this is actually really cute. Okay, Laura Geller. Look at me. I'm trying to drag, but the stuff's kind of cute. Okay. And there's way more stuff in the box still. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna film this video real quick. It's like mad stuff in here. Okay. So this is like, I know I have my claws on, but sheesh. Ugh. So we're definitely gonna give this away. Guys, I'm using the knife, okay? This was not tampered with. It's just, I can't get it open. Okay, here we go. Oh, this is actually pretty. I actually love the muted rose color and the green. Okay, so that's cool. This is cute to like throw in your purse. Yeah, okay. Okay, Laura. All right, Laura. Okay, this illuminating drops. Here we go. This is an Opal Crush. So Opal, is Opal like white, I think? Let's see. I certainly hope not. Some of us are chocolate. And it's white. I'm like, I think Opal is white. Okay, because it looks like it has all these different colors on here. Highly concentrated, ultra pigmented. Drop it into your primer, foundation, or moisturizer for all over glow. Oh. All right. I just want to like swatch this. Oh, it's thick. Is this a, wow, this is cute. Who knew? Who knew? Who knew this was gonna be cute? I was like, when I saw that whole mature skin thing, I was, well, that's because I have a complex about getting old, and I like, this is the first year where I actually kind of feel old, you know, probably because all these damn bills. So I just bought a house. Maybe that's why. Okay, Iconic Baked Sculpting Lipstick, and this is in Mulberry Street. Wasn't that Mulberry? Oh no, that's Melrose Place. I'm like, wasn't that a show? Mulberry Street. Okay, Lord. Wow, this is heavy. Okay. Really? It's like a snake skin. Is this a, it's like dragon skin. Oh my God. This is fucking fabulous. This is so fabulous. Oh my gosh. I hate the color, but I mean, I might actually like the color, but I'm not going to swatch this. But this is like too fabulous. Okay. Laura Geller. What? The heck? I did not know. Okay, waterproof eye Spackle hues, advanced primer and eyeshadow, Mauve Majesty. primer and shadow. Guys, these are the kind of products that are good for summer when it's burning and it's hotter than sin outside. You want something that's like, you know, either a cream. Like, you don't want to do this in the summer because this is too hot. It's just too hot. Okay, so this looks like that thing where you squirt it up. I don't know if I'm gonna swatch this, but yeah, so look, it looks like this. They show you on the box how to do it. Okay, cool. But yeah, this is like a summertime type product to me. Oh, is this a sample? Oh, she gave me some samples. Okay, so we have a mattifying spackle, and then we have another mattifying spackle. So these are samples. Okay, Laura. All right, y'all. Deep charcoal kohl long wear eyeliner. You already know I love eyeliner. Oh, it's gray. I'm keeping it anyway. Okay, let's try this. 2 more items after this, guys. You can fast forward if you want. But I just really want to try this. Y'all, I have not gotten this hype over a mystery box in a long time. Oh, wow. Wow, that's cute. I love gray. I actually love gray shadow. I don't know if you can tell, I have gray shadow under here, and then I put the pink on top, and then the glitter, and then black on the edges, and then a crazy wing liner. But oh my god, I love this. Wow, this is the kind of stuff you can put on and smudge out. Wow. Okay, Laura. Okay, Laura. Oh my gosh. Okay, next is eye stick and powder. Make it a double, because 2 is better than 1. You better come on with this clever packaging, Laura. Okay. Let's see here. Apply the shadow stick for a strong, bold eye. Add the powder for the ultimate power look. Okay. Wait, what? Oh my gosh, that is so cool. Wow. Okay. All right. I don't know that I would use this, but this is so cool. I love that. This looks kind of like Lancome. Oh wow, this is cool. So where's the powder? Oh, is this a shimmer? Oh my god, let me see this. Oh my god, it's a shimmer. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, it's a shimmer. Y'all, I was gonna film the GlitzGlam box unboxing, but I have to go log back on for work, and then I'll do that when I get back tonight. Oh my gosh, who knew? Here's the last thing, y'all. This is freaking cute. Come on, Laura. Come on. How much was this? Where's my invoice? Damn it. I should have got 2 of these. This is such a good box. Oh, wow. I love this brush. Okay. I used to get a brush kind of like this from MAC, and it was for foundation. Well, I used it for foundation, and it would give you the most, well, for Studio Fix, because that's a thin foundation, but it's full coverage, but it's thin, and it would give you the most flawless, like, I could do it in the car, and it would look so flawless. So I love this. I'm keeping this. Okay. All right. So this box was worth it. However much it cost, it was worth it. Okay, so this is the box, which I live for black and white. So packaging, A+. All right, let's see here. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 items and 2 little samples. Wow, this was a really good box. Wow. Okay. So yeah, this was really cute. I think it was $55. I'll put it in here. I definitely think it was worth it, and I actually like this like, because if I put that down before foundation, it'll give you like a little, when you turn your head, or I don't know about mixing it into foundation because it's purple, but excuse me, opal. But yeah, wow, this was like such a good box. I was really being biased because it said it was for mature skin. Wow. That is like, it's so good. It's so good. Okay, wow, guys. Okay, so the Spring Mystery Box series is starting with a bang. We got 10 items. So the other boxes, okay, the other boxes, they need to get on Laura Geller's level because this was really, really good. So, okay, for the giveaway, we're going to give away this quad, and we're going to give away the lipstick and maybe this pin thing. I'm gonna like look at it a little more. This I think I'm gonna keep because that's like, I mean, it just looks cute, you know. And this I swatched, so, well, I didn't swatch it, I dropped it on my hand, but yeah, so we'll definitely for sure give these two out. So to enter the giveaway, you do have to be I just did this, y'all, okay? You do have to be subscribed to my channel. You have to leave a comment down below out of these items, which one was your fave, okay? And let me know, like, what do you guys think of this brand? I've never really used this brand. Like, I had this spray, but I wasn't like, oh my God, let's spray a little more. Guys, I'm so matte today, I can't. And I put a lot of like powder on. It's very matte, but you know, when your look has to last a long time, it's good to be matte. But okay, so let me know. So to enter the giveaway, be subscribed to my channel, like this video, leave a comment down below. Out of these products, which one did you think was the best, or which one impressed you the most? I'm gonna tell you, for me, it was the I love that liner, which, I mean, you can see it's in my liner cup already. That I liked. The blush, guys, the blush. Okay, I have to log back off for work, but yeah, okay, so leave a comment down below which items either surprised you the most. Mine was the blush, because I was like, wait, this is a blush, I have this already. I'm like, this is actually kind of cute. And then anyway, okay guys, thanks so much for watching. I have coming up the Tarte mystery box. I have Tarte, I have Kula, whatever that is. I believe it's skincare, but I did see some sunscreen on there, so this could be hit or miss. I also have Butter London, which I'll tell y'all what happened with that, and I'm looking for other mystery boxes. If you know of any other ones, leave a comment down below. Thanks so much for watching. Till the next video, bye.